So we're continuing to maintain our 77 kilometres of track signalling, overhead line equipment, stations, platforms, bridges, lifts, escalators as normal during these testing times of COVID-19. Some of the biggest challenges we've had is revising our maintenance frequencies in regards to social distancing, and also revising the controls that we need to put in place within safe systems of work. But we are still actively maintaining the infrastructure, and we are ready for when our operational means increase over the coming days and weeks, hopefully.
And what about implementing social distancing? Has that been a big challenge?
It's been a challenge in terms of revising how many activities we undertake that would likely come within 2 metres, and to date we have 86 activities across our 5 host departments that we've risk assessed us against and put additional controls in for social distancing. It's also been a challenge with shielding vulnerable people, and in regards to anyone in a vulnerable persons category, ensuring that they remain safe at all times by not working within 2 metres. So additional PPE and access to the additional PPE has been something that is just becoming business as usual now for these staff.
And just finally, a message for all the staff that have done a great job in very difficult circumstances.
Our staff's attitudes towards COVID-19 has been fantastic. The collaborative working that we have between the trade unions and our department within maintenance delivery, the flexibility, the re-rostering and the can-do attitude, it's been really commendable. Everyone's been working tirelessly to keep the metro operating, and we will continue to do so. So I just want to say a huge thank you to them all, and just keep on doing the hard work that you are doing. Thank you very much.